Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think, learn, and problem solve. AI systems are designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language understanding. AI can be classified into two main types: narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks and is limited to those tasks alone. Examples include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation algorithms used by streaming services, and image recognition systems. General AI, on the other hand, is hypothetical and refers to AI systems that possess human-level intelligence and can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across various domains. There are several techniques and approaches used in AI, including machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on enabling machines to learn and improve from data without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a specific type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks to process and analyze complex patterns in data. AI has a wide range of applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, and entertainment. It is used to improve efficiency, automate repetitive tasks, enhance decision-making, provide personalized recommendations, and assist in research and development. However, it's important to note that AI also raises ethical and societal concerns. Issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, job displacement, and the impact of AI on social interactions and human autonomy are topics of ongoing debate and research. It's crucial to develop AI systems that are transparent, accountable, and aligned with human values to ensure their responsible and ethical deployment.